GST Goods and Services Tax and Indian Contract Act 1872. Kerala PSC question paper. For departmental exam, PSC exams, UPSC exams, UGC NET exam, SET in-service exams, degree PG level exams and various other exams. MCQ multiple choice questions. Question number 1. Article 246 of the Constitution of India empowers Parliament or state legislature to enact law under dash. Answer option A list 1 union, option B list 2 state, option C list 3 concurrent, option D all of the above. Correct answer option D all of the above. Question number 2. In the context of Article 246 of the Constitution of India, which of the following statement is not correct? Option A list 1 union list empowers the parliament to make laws. Option B list 2 state list empowers the legislature of any state to make laws. Option C list 3 concurrent list enumerates the matters on which both the parliament or legislature of any state can make laws. Option D none of the above. Correct answer option D none of the above. That means both A, B, C and correct are correct. Question number 3. Which of the following has the power to make laws in respect of any matter of the Union Territory of India? Answer. Option A, state legislature. Option B, the parliament. Option C, legislature of Union Territory. Option D, none of the above. Correct answer, option B, the parliament. Question number 4. Which central taxes are not subsumed in goods and services tax? Option A, service tax. Option B, special additional duty of customs, SAD. Option C, safeguard duty. Option D, central excise duty. Correct answer option C, safeguard duty. Question number 5. Which state taxes are not subsumed in goods and services tax? Answer option A, state VAT. Option B, taxes on lottery, betting and gambling. Option C, entertainment taxes not levied by local bodies. Option D, motor vehicle tax. Correct answer option D, motor vehicle tax. Question number C. Which of the following are not benefits of goods and services tax for business and industry? Option A, reduction in multiplicity of taxes. Option B, removal of cascading effect of taxes. Option C, easy compliance. Option D, reduced competitiveness. Correct answer option D, reduced competitiveness. Question number 7. Central government has notified dash rules to implement the GST laws. Option A, the Central Goods and Services Tax GST Rules 2017. Option B, the Integrated Goods and Services Tax Rules 2017. Option C, the Goods and Services Tax Compensation Cess Rules 2017. Option D, all of the above. Correct answer, option D, all of the above. Question number 8. Goods and Services Tax is applicable to dash. Answer, whole of India. Question number 9. Which of the following is not a feature of Goods and Services Tax? Option A, it is destination-based consumption tax. Option B, it is origin-based taxation. Option C, self-supply is also subject to tax. Option D, in this tax collected by local bodies has not been subsumed. Correct answer option B, it is origin-based taxation. Question number 10. Article dash provides Parliament the exclusive power to make laws in respect to goods and services tax where the supply of goods or services or both takes place in the course of interstate trade or commerce. Answer Article 246A. Sorry. Question number 11. Goods and services tax means any tax on supply of goods or services or both except taxes on supply of the dash. Answer alcoholic liquor for human consumption. I repeat question number 11. Goods and services tax means any tax on supply of goods or services or both except taxes on supply of the dash. Answers option A, tobacco. Option B, alcoholic liquor for human consumption. Option C, legal services. Option D, all of the above. Correct answer option B, alcoholic liquor for human consumption. Question number 12. Which were the limitations in pre-GST regime that led to the enactment of GST? Option A, hindered the free flow of trade throughout the country. Option B, divide the nation into separate economic spheres. Option C, non-availability of credit of central tax against the liability of state tax or vice versa. Option D, all of the above. Correct answer option D, all of the above. Question number 13. Central government levies the tax as per the various entries contained in the union list. 1. Entry 46, taxes on agriculture income. 2. Entry 49, taxes on lands and buildings. Option 3. Entry 83, customs duty. Option 4. Entry 84, duties of excise on tobacco. 5. Entry 97, levy tax on matters which are not enumerated in list 2 or list 3. Choose the correct one from the following options. Correct answer option C, 3, 4 and 5. That is 3. Entry 83, custom duty. 4. Entry 84, duties of excise on tobacco. 5. Entry 97, levy tax on matters which are not enumerated in list 2 or 3. Question number 14. Due to introduction of GST, which constitutional amendment act was passed? Answer, Constitutional 101st Amendment Act 2016. Question number 15. GST Council shall be constituted by the dash within 60 days from the date of commencement of Constitution 101st Amendment Act 2016 2016. Answer, President. Question number 16. GST provisions are applicable to whole India, including state of Jammu and Kashmir, with effect from dash. Answer, 18th July 2017. 8th July 2017. 8th July 2017. Question number 17. Taxable event under GST shall be dash of goods or services or both. Option A, supply. Option B, sale. Option C, transfer. Option D, manufacturer. Correct answer option A, supply. I repeat, taxable event under GST shall be supply of goods or services or both. Question number 18. Which of the following statement is incorrect in context of GST laws? Option A, there is one common tax return for both central and GST authorities. Option B, GST return has to be filed online. Option C, separate tax returns are required for central and state authorities. Option D, procedure for collection of central and state GST is uniform. Correct answer, that is incorrect statement in the context of GST laws is separate tax returns are required for central and state authorities. Question number 19. Which of the following is not a feature of integrated goods and services tax? Answer, input of IGST cannot be utilized against output liability of SGST. Input of IGST cannot be utilized against output liability of SGST. Question number 20. The benefit of goods and services tax for central and state government includes. Answer, option A, simple and easy to administer. Option B, higher revenue. Option C, boost to foreign investment and make in India campaign. Option D, all of the above. Correct answer option D, all of the above. Question number 21. Which of the following are the benefits of goods and services tax for the consumer? Option A, simpler tax system. Option B, reduction in prices of goods and services. Option C, uniform prices throughout the country. Option D, all of the above. Correct answer option D, all of the above. Question number 22. Dash of GST Council shall constitute the quorum of its meeting. Answer, half of the members. Half of the members. I repeat, correct answer, half of the members. Question number 23. IGST stands for dash. Answer, Integrated Goods and Services Tax. Question number 24. The recommendation of GST Council will be. Answer, for advisory purpose. Question number 25. Which state does not fall under special category states as given under Article 279A? Option A, Haryana. Option B, Manipur. Option C, Uttarakhand. Option D, Meghalaya. Correct answer option A, Haryana. Question number 26. GST Council membership consists of which of the following members? Option A, Union Finance Minister. Option B, Union Minister of State in charge of Revenue or Finance. Option C, Minister in charge of Finance or Taxation nominated by each state government. Option D, all of the above. Correct answer, all of the above. Question number 27. Who amongst the following is the chairperson of GST Council? Answer, Union Finance Minister. Question number 28. On which of the following matters shall the GST Council make recommendation to the Union and the states? Answer option A. Threshold limit of turnover below which goods and services may be exempted from GST. Option B. Special provisions for special category states. Option C. Recommended the date on which GST be levied on petrol, natural gas, aviation turbine fuel, high-speed diesel and petroleum crude. Option D. All of the above. Correct answer option D. All of the above. Question number 29. Which article grants power to center and state to make laws with respect to GST imposed by the center or such state? Answer Article 246A. 246A. Question number 30. Article dash provides that integrated goods and services tax collected should be apportioned between the Union and the states in the manner as provided by Parliament by law on recommendations of GST Council. Answer Article 269A. 269A. Question number 31. Which country was the first one to implement GST? Answer option A India, option B United Kingdom, option C Australia, option D France. Correct answer option D France. Question number 32. When was GST Council constituted? Answer 12th September 2016. 12th September 2016. 2016. Question number 33. The decision of the GST Council should be taken by the majority of not less than dash. Answer 3/4 of the weighted votes of the members present and voting. Question number 34. Under which article of the Constitution GST Council has been framed? Answer Article 279A. Question number 35. Which of the following acts are not passed by the Parliament for implementation of GST? Answer the State Goods and Services Tax Act 2017. 2017. Question number 36. Which provision of IGST Act 2017 covers the applicability of certain provisions of CGST Act 2017? 2017. Answer Section 20. 20. Section 20. Question number 37. Which provision of CGST Act 2017 are not applicable to IGST Act 2017? Answer Composition Levy. Question number 38. I repeat question number 37. Which provisions of CGST Act 2017 are not applicable to IGST Act 2017? Option A composite and mixed supply. Option B registration. Option C composition levy. Option D all of the above. Correct answer option C composition levy. Question number 38. Which provision of UTGST Act 2017 covers the applicability of certain provisions of CGST Act 2017? Answer Section 21. 2(1). Question number 39. Article dash of the Constitution of India provides that no tax can be levied or collected except by the authority of law. Answer Article 265. Option A Article 265. 265. Question number 40. Article dash of the Constitution of India empowers Parliament or state legislature to enact law. Answer Article 246. Article 246. Question number 41. Which of the following are not characteristics of indirect taxes? Option A. It is imposed on persons. Option B. It is levied on goods and services. Option C. It is burden. Its burden can be shifted by the taxpayers to some other person. Option D. Incidence of such tax is borne by the consumer. Correct answer. It is imposed on persons. Question number 42. Goods and Services Tax Compensation to State Act 2017 provides a mechanism to compensate the tax states on account of loss of revenue due to implementation of GST for a period of dash. Answer 5 years. Question number 43. To compensate the states on account of loss of revenue due to implementation of GST, a mechanism has been made for levy of on dash certain notified goods. Answer GST compensation cess. Question number 44. What will be status of tobacco and tobacco products under GST regime? Answer it would be subject to GST along with the power to central government to levy central excise duty. Question number 45. Dash option has been provided for dealers in second hand goods. Option A discounted scheme, option B margin scheme, option C valuation scheme, option D none of the above. Correct answer option B margin scheme. Question number 46. When will be recipient and supplier be treated as related person under GST? Option A, where such a person are employer and employee. Option B, where one of them directly or indirectly controls other. Option C, where such persons are officer or directors of one another's business. Option D, all of the above. Correct answer option D, all of the above. Question number 47. What are notified supplies under section 15, subsection 5? 1515 subsection 5 of CGST Act 2017. Answer, service of money changing along with the purchase or sale of foreign currency. Question number 48. What are the payments to be made in GST regime for any intrastate supply? Answer, option A CGST, option B SGST or UTGST, option C IGST, option D both A and B. Correct answer option D both A and B, that is CGST and SGST or UTGST. Question number 49. What are the payments to be made in GST regime for any interstate supply? Answer, IGST. Question number 50. Which of the following persons are liable to pay GST? Option A, supplier of goods and services. Option B, recipient in case of import of services. Option C, government departments and e-commerce operator in specific cases. Option D, all of the above. Correct answer, all of the above. Question number 51. When does the liability to make GST payment arises? Answer, earliest to one of the above three events. That is, I repeat question number 51. When does the liability to make GST payment arises? Option A, at the time of receipt of payment. Option B, at the time of issuance of invoice. Option C, completion of services. Option D, earliest to one of the above three events. That is, at the time of receipt of payment, or at the time of issuance of invoice, or completion of services. Earliest to one of the above three events. That is the correct answer. Question number 52. What is the order of utilizing ITC of CGST available in electronic credit ledger? Answer, first for payment of CGST and then for IGST and not for SGST or UTGST. Question number 53. What is the order of utilizing ITC of GST UTGST available in electronic credit ledger? Answer, first for payment of SGST, UTGST and then for IGST and not for CGST. Question number 54. What is the rate of interest on delayed payment of GST? Answer, 18% per annum. 18% per annum. Question number 55. What is the due date of depositing GST by accomplished dealer? Answer, 18th of the month following the quarter. 18th of the month following the quarter. Question number 56. On portal, taxpayers required to register under GST laws. Answer, GSTN. On portal, I repeat, question number 56. On portal, taxpayers are required to register under GST laws. Answer, GSTN. Question number 57. A registered person can make payment of GST liability of a tax paid in cash, check, order and draft up to dash over the counter of bank. Answer, 10,000. Question number 58. Which form is required to be filed if a person wants to withdraw from the composition scheme? Answer, form GST CMP 04. Question number 59. Proper officer came to know that the registered person has wrongfully availed the composition scheme. He shall issue a notice to him in form to show cause within of the receipt of such notice auto why the option to pay tax under composition scheme shall not be denied. Answer, GST CMP 05, 15 days. I repeat, answer, GST CMP 05 and 15 days, 15 days. Question number 60. In which form the registered person shall reply to the show cause notice issued by the proper officer in form GST CMP 05? Answer GST CMP 06. Question number 61. Whether a composite dealer can claim ITC of rupees 50 lakh, 50 lakhs, which was claimed by him under existing law. Answer. He cannot claim so as he opts for composition scheme. Question number 62. Select the goods which have been notified for levy of GST compensation cess. 1. Pan masala. 2. Aerated water. 3. Tobacco and tobacco product. 4. Cigarettes, cigar, hookah. 5. Motor vehicle. 6. Coal, lignite. 7. Electronic items. 8. Lottery. Answer. Option B 1 to 6. 1 to 6. That is pan masala, aerated water, tobacco and tobacco product, cigarettes, cigar, hookah, motor vehicle and coal and lignite. Question number 63. If some considerations passes from bailer to bails, it is known as dash. Answer. Non-gratuitous bailment. Question number 64. Dash is one in which neither the bailer nor the bailee is entitled to any remuneration. Answer. Gratuitous bailment. Question number 65. Where the bailee mixes the goods bailed with his own goods, with the bailor's consent, both of them shall have interest in dash. Answer. Proportion to their shares in the mixture produced. Question number 66. Where the bailee mixes the goods bailed with his own goods without the bailor's consent, dash bound to bear the expenses of separation or division and also of any damage arising from the mixture. Answer. Bailer. Question number 67. A and B go into a shop. A says to the shopkeeper, let B have the goods and if he does not pay, I will. This is dash. Answer. Contract of guarantee. Question number 68. There are dash to the contract of indemnity while there are dash to the contract of guarantee. Answer. 2 parties, 3 parties. I repeat, question number 68. There are 2 parties to the contract of indemnity while there are 3 parties to the contract of guarantee. Question number 69. If illegal part can be severed from legal part of covenant, the contract is dash. Answer. Void in respect of illegal part. Question number 70. Agreement in restraint of trade are valid if restriction imposed are dash. Answer. Reasonable. Question number 71. Execution of a bond requiring employee leaving the organization to pay compensation to employer is dash. Answer. Valid agreement. Question number 72. Which of the following agreements have been expressly declared to be void by the Indian Contract Act 1872? Option A. Agreements in restraint of trade. Option B. Agreements the meaning of which is uncertain. Option C. Agreement by incompetent parties. Option D. All of the above. Correct answer. Option D. All of the above. Question number 73. Which of the following agreements have been expressly declared to be void? Option A. Agreements made under a mutual mistake of fact. Option B. Agreement in restraint of marriage. Option C. Wagering agreement. Option D. All of the above. Correct answer. Option D. All of the above. Question number 74. Dash is a false statement which the person making it honestly believes to be true. Answer. Misrepresentation. Question number 75. When one of the party to contract commits a misrepresentation of or fraud, contract is dash. Answer. Voidable. Question number 76. Every person is competent to contract if dash. Answer. Option A. He is major. Option B. He is of sound mind. Option C. He has not been disqualified to contract under any law. Option D. All of the above. Correct answer. All of the above. Question number 77. A minor is a person who has not completed dash years of the age. Answer. 18. 1-8. Question number 78. In which of the case it was laid down by the Privy Council that a minor has no capacity to contract and minor's contract is absolutely void? Correct answer. Mohri Bibi versus Tharmodas Ghosh. Question number 79. Which of the following statement is true? Option A. Acceptance must be given within a prescribed time. Option B. Acceptance cannot precede an offer. Option C, acceptance must show an intention on the part of the acceptor to fulfill terms of the promise. Option D, all of the above. Correct answer, option D, all of the above. Question number 80. Which of the following statement is true? Option A, acceptance must be given by the party to whom the offer is made. Option B, acceptance must be given before the offer lapses or offer comes to an end. Option C, acceptance cannot be implied from silence. Option D, all of the above. Correct answer, option D, all of the above. Question number 81. A contract with an alien enemy. A contract with an alien enemy becomes dash on the outbreak of war. Answer, unenforceable. Question number 82. Mistake may be option A, mistake of fact. Option B, mistake of law. Option C, mistake as to identify identity of person. Option D, A or B or C. Correct answer, option D, A or B or C. That is, mistake may be mistake of fact or mistake of law or mistake as to identity of person. Question number 83. Mistake of law may be answer, option A, mistake of law of country. Option B, mistake of foreign law. Option C, A or B. Correct answer, option C, A or B. That is, mistake of law of country or mistake of foreign law. Question number 84. Consideration may be defined as answer, something in return. Question number 85. Exception to rule. No consideration, no contract are contained in dash of Indian Contract Act 1872. Answer, section 25(2)(5). Question number 86. If the consideration is unlawful, the agreement is dash. Answer, void. Question number 87. A gratuitous promise to subscribe to a charitable cause dash. Answer, cannot be enforced. Question number 88. Where there is mistake as to existence of then subject matter, the contract is dash. Answer, void. Question number 89. Where the parties are not in agreement to the identity of the subject matter, there is dash. Answer, mistake as to identity of the subject matter. Question number 90. Which of the following persons are treated as person of unsound mind? Answer, option A, idiots. Option B, drunken. Option C, lunatic. Option D, all of the above. Correct answer, all of the above. Question number 91. As per decision in Kedarnath versus Gauri Mohan, in case of charitable subscription, where the promisee on the strength of promise makes a commitment that is changes his position to his detriment, such gratuitous promise dash. Answer, can be enforced. Question number 92. A dash is one which is destitute of all legal effects and not enforceable from the beginning itself. Answer, void agreement. Question number 93. A void agreement dash cannot be enforced and confers no rights on either party. Question number 94. Mistake of fact may be answer, unilateral mistake. Question number 95. A contract made by mistake about Indian law is dash. Answer, void. Question number 96. When there is mistake of law of foreign country, agreement is dash. Answer, valid. Question number 97. Which of the following statement is correct? Option A, minor can enter into a contract of partnership. Option B, minor cannot be adjudicated in as insolvent. Option C, minor can be principal. Option D, none of the above. Correct answer, option B, minor cannot be adjudicated as insolvent. Question number 98. When loan is taken by minor to obtain necessaries, then he is, answer, liable to pay out of his property. I repeat question number 98. When loan is taken by minor to obtain necessaries, then he is, answer, liable to pay out of his property. Question number 99. A minor is liable for the dash supplied to him. Answer, necessaries. Question number 100. A contract with the minor which is beneficial for him is dash. Answer, voidable. Thank you.